beats all the other ones, which is Hi, I'm Itnaviv.
And I'm the whack.
Today we're working with pie graphs.
And the percentages.
Today, the title for this graph is the average teenager's day. The mode for this one is sleep, which beats all the other ones, which is 42%.
How do you know that?
Because the mode is the one that occurs most often.
But in pie graphs, the largest portion of the pie. But in pie graphs, the mode is the largest portion of the pie graph.
Now we're going to move to the next graph. This one is where your money goes for college. The mode for this one is tuition and fees.
So basically, you're just saying that it's the biggest number.
Yes. But in other graphs, you can find other things such as median, range, and other things. But only in pie graphs you can find only the mode. This one is Milton's family budget. The mode for this one is,
well, I would say food, because it's the biggest number.
yes, which is 33%. Rent is 25%, savings is 6%, and clothes 15%, and misc is 21%. Miscellaneous. Fruit Loop numbers by colors. The mode for this one is broken, which is in 102 pieces. Here we have a key that shows you the representative of each number, each color.
Wow. This is getting very interesting.
1993 U.S. imports. Let's find the mode for this one. What do you think the mode is, Noette?
Well, is it other?
Correct.
32%?
Correct. Petroleum is 8%, capital goods 26%, industry, supplies and materials 17%, and automobiles 17%. What's your favorite subject in school? Here we have a try mode for drawing and reading.
What's a try mode?
It's when you have more than one mode. So this one you have two modes. Three modes. So PE, reading, and drawing. They are all 4.
So basically, a try mode is when you have 3.
Yes, because try means 3.
Oh.
So room 17, favorite colors. Only one person choose purple. Most people like green because there are 1 choices that are green. As you see, the mode for this one is green, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 7.
Wow.
As you see, there is a key right here.
So the key tells you what each color represents?
Yes, sir. Per capita U.S. consumption of milk, 1975 through 95. As you see, we have another key. Blue equals the whole milk, purple equals low-fat milk, and white equals skim milk. The mode for the first one of 1975 is,
well, would it be, for 1975, would it be 73%?
yep, whole milk.
73% whole milk?
For graph B, whole milk again wins it with 55% for 1985. And this one, whole milk wins it by just a slight point. So 37 to 36%.
Well, I see right here how low-fat milk and whole milk in graph C are only 1% apart.
Yep, 1%. The mode for every one of them is whole milk. It's decreasing every time. So as you see, and then all the other ones are going up.
So while it goes from graph C to graph A, it's going up.
Yeah, to try to lose weight. So as you see here, skim milk started off in 1975, 5%. In 1985, 6%, and then in 1995, it increased to 27%.
So it's increasing every time?
Yes. And then as you see, low-fat milk is also increasing from 22% to 39% to 30. Well, 1 year it decreased, but overall it increased the whole time.
Well, it still stayed up a lot.
Yeah. Well, we had a nice time teaching you about pie graphs today.
We sure did.
So here's our theme song. Pie graphs are the new things these days.
You better watch, they're gonna blow you up one day.
They're in streets, they're in the block, they're in the places these days. People gotta know the math code these days. Word. Peace out, people of America.